Today I'm going to show you how to fix the game chat audio and not working mics in Fortnite. So on here you want to hit the menu button on your controller, which will bring up the menu, and then you want to scroll down to settings within Fortnite. Hit R1 and go to audio and make sure that the voice chat is set to 100% so you can hear everything that's happening within the voices. Press R1 again and then you want to change the settings in your actual voice chat. So you want to have everybody on the voice chat to make sure that you can pick up everything that's going on with the audio within teammates and opponents within Fortnite. Make sure voice reporting is off when possible. I don't think this really matters, it's just more for the reporting within Epic Games, but I like to have mine off. And make sure that the voice chat method is set to open mic, not push to talk or mute, because these are just more manual ways of voice chatting and it's just way easier if it's open and then you don't have to unmute yourself or hit any buttons. So once you've done that, hit triangle to apply and then you can go back. Now there are a few things we can do not within Fortnite that we can change within our controller and on our PS settings. So hit the PlayStation button and head to sound. So I'm using earphones at the moment plugged into my controller, and these are now detected on the output device, so we want to make sure that it's set to the headset within the controller. The volume can be whatever volume, and the audio balance doesn't really matter. You want to make sure that the game chat is not muted so that you can pick up everything that's going on with the voice chat within Fortnite if you're not in a party. You really want to make sure that this button doesn't have an orange light. Orange light means that whatever mic you're using is muted, so we want to have that off. So once you've done your sound, head over to mic on the bottom, and then from here you can select the mic you want to use. Mine automatically detects it within the controller. So we'll keep that, and then you want to make sure that it's not muted. Now this is changed whenever you hit this button again, so it'll go orange if it's muted and clear if it's not, but you just want to make sure anyway that it's not. And then to check that your mic is actually working, you want to just go on adjust microphone level, and you'll be able to see that my mic is picking up my voice quite low at the moment, but obviously you can turn this up down here if you want it louder or quieter. So go back to Fortnite and hopefully this should fix all your problems. Anything else, let us know, and do not forget to subscribe.